So I started this by studying astrology. I didn't know. I was looking for some control in my life, and I thought astrology might, well, if I could predict, at least that would help. I don't find it a very good prediction tool, but I do find it a very good tool for character analysis, and that was how I began to understand myself. One of these 12 signs. I'm a Leo. I have Mercury and the Sun on my midheaven. I have Mars rising in Scorpio. All of this stuff. When you talk with other astrologers, this becomes a shorthand for different types of character, different types of behavior, and it's not just based on, well, this planet was there and that was the house that was rising over the horizon at the moment I was born. It's tempered by our understanding of human behavior. So we know that certain types of people behave in certain ways, and so that goes into the equation. So it's crude in many ways, but it is the beginning of an understanding of where I'm coming from, where I'm going, and what connections are getting involved there. So I moved on from astrology and from all those other mystical arts towards Buddhism because it answered my questions in an entirely non-mystical way. And that's what I'm going to be talking about in this workshop. And I hope you're curious about this because I love people who are curious about this, about the mind, about their mind, who want to change their behavior, want to change their experience of life. So come and join us. It's going to be fun.